Tribe is a social gathering of a typical type of people having vast differentiation with the rural and urban people. So tribes are all those people who stay at a particular place and they are different from the rural and the urban people. Tribe in the traditional sense are backward people. They are generally backward in nature, who live aloof from rest of the people, who live apart from the rest of the people, means from the mainstream, and the mainstream comprises of the rural and the urban people. According to Bogadas, the tribal groups are based on the need for protection, on ties of blood relationship, and on the strength of a common religion. So the tribal people, they need protection. They are bound by blood relationship and on the strength of common religion, and they follow a common religion which they believe to be to provide them a strength. According to Perry, the two vital elements of tribal life are common dialect, common language, and common topography, that is a common geographical area where they will be staying. Then according to D.N. Majumdar, a tribe is the collection of families bearing a common name. Different families bearing a common name, members of which occupy the same territory, and the members of which occupy the same territory, they live in a particular geographical area, speak the same language, and observe certain taboos regarding marriage, profession or occupation, and they observe certain norms, certain principles made by them in regard to marriage, profession or occupation, and have developed a well-assessed system of reciprocity and mutually of obligation. Then characteristics of tribe. Number 1, a tribe has common habitation and has definite a common topography or geographical area. They stay at a particular area. Each tribe has a distinct name of its own. They are called by a different name, like the Mundas and the Bhils. Members of a tribe are a definite sense of utility. They have a definite sense of utility. They live together and they utilize all the resources in their area for their well-being. Members of a tribe speak a common dialect. Their language is common. The members are close and near to each other and have blood relationship. They are close to each other and they have blood relationship. They do not marry outside the tribe, so they are endogamous units, as they marry within their groups. Number 7th is religion plays an important place in the life of tribal people, and they have common system of offering group prayers to God, and they offer group prayers. All the members of the tribe come together and then they pray to their God. A religion is in the form of ancestors worship. They worship their ancestors with different rituals. Most tribes are nature or totem worshipper, and they generally worship nature. The members of tribe protect each other and work in the spirit of unity. They protect each other and they live in a strong unity form. The leader of the group is very powerful man, and as such he exercises control over its member. The leader, the mukhya, is the most powerful person of the group, and he exercises control over its members. Every tribe has its own distinct political organization which looks after the interest of tribal people, and every tribe has a political organization, and that political organization looks after the interest of the tribal people. Tribal people always need a protection from intention and infiltration, and for this a single political authority is established. As there is a infiltration in the tribal areas by the mainstream people for getting the resources for the development of different projects, so they feel scared of such people. Therefore they need proper protection, and because of this protection they need a political authority. They follow primitive occupations such as gleaning, hunting and gathering of forest products. They have a notion of joint ownership of property. The property is jointly owned by all the members of the tribe. They are largely meat eaters and they love food and drink. Common culture produces the life of homogeneity among the tribals. All tribes believe in magic. A magical act is a rite carried out to twist nature in a specific way to satisfy human desires. They use magic to change the nature in a specific way to satisfy human desire, to satisfy their desires. Supernaturalism plays a dominant role in tribe. Many clans constitute together to form a tribe. Different small groups of or different clans, kabilas, they join together and then a tribe is constituted. Taboo is used to designate all the restrictions. The aim of taboo is to make an individual to adhere to the norms of his society. The head of the tribe enjoys both administrative as well as judicial powers. A council of elders, that is gerontocracy, can be the governing body. The older people in the tribe, they form a council, and that council will give the judgments. The head of the tribe enjoys both the administrative as well as members of a tribe believe in the law of reciprocity. Extradition is considered a punishment, and with that the person concerned loses all rights over property. If a person is being extradited from the tribe, उसको tribe से बाहर निकाल देगा, he loses the right over the property. In a tribe there is no consciousness of status. They have segmentary egalitarian system and are not mutually interdependent. Its origin is mystical. Some of the tribes origin is mystical. No one knows how they originated. Distinction between tribe and caste. A tribe is a local and territorial group, but a caste is a social group. It is tribe is local and territorial, caste is social group. Number 2, the tribals have their own common dialect, whereas there is no common language with a caste. Third, a tribe never imposes restrictions on its members regarding the choice of occupation, but a caste usually promotes hereditary occupations. The tribes have segmentary egalitarian system and are not mutually interdependent, while a caste show a system of stratification and organic solidarity. Tribe becomes caste with the loss of its territorial attachment, but caste cannot become tribes. Tribe is a political association, whereas caste is a social association. In a tribe, the names are adopted after totem, whereas in caste, the names of clans are adopted from some saint or mystical personalities. Among tribals, conventions of endogamy is not rigidly enforced, while it is rigidly enforced in the case of caste. Tribes look upon rituals as extra-religious, but it believes in rituals as necessary part of religion. Caste believes in rituals as necessary part of religion. Tribe grew from the feeling of unity among the people living in a particular area, while caste has devised in order to use the benefits of division of labor. Among tribals, convention of endogamy is not rigidly enforced in case of caste. Tribes look upon rituals as extra-religious, but it believes in rituals as necessary part of religion.